Just how good is Luka Doncic?
Luka Doncic is the best 20-year-old player in the history of the NBA.
Luka, he's legit. Skip, I told you, he's the real deal. His ability to handle the ball, his ability to facilitate, and to score.
Doncic. 13.7 per game, wide open three from the top, and he drains it.
What makes Luka Doncic so good? What's the secret to his game? We all know that NBA players are the most physically gifted and skilled athletes in the world. However, most players have that one skill that they're known for. For example, Steph Curry is a phenomenal player all around, and there's no doubt about that. But one skill that sets him apart from others is his elite shooting ability, as well as his quick and smooth shooting stroke. Another guy we look at is Patrick Beverley. He may not be the most electrifying offensive threat in the league, but he's that one guy every opposing guard is afraid of due to his lockdown defense. There are very few players that have everything a star basketball player needs to become a great. A player that has the perfect height, a lethal jump shot, remarkable vision, and just a stellar player on both sides of the court is very rare to see. Well, we may have just found that player in rising superstar Luka Doncic. Luka has the tools and the skills to become one of the greatest players of all time. And with him being only 21 years old, there's a good chance that this could happen. In only 2 seasons of being in the NBA, Doncic has been a starter on the NBA All-Star team, and he's already made NBA Rookie of the Year, which is unbelievable to see from a player so young. Sometimes you would think that the Slovenian guard is a veteran in a league, not a young prodigy on the rise to greatness. But what makes him so unique compared to other players in the NBA? What's the secret to his game? Well, you better stick around to find out, because we got the inside scoop, and we'll be breaking it down. Luka Doncic was born in Slovenia on February 28, 1999, to his mother Mirjam and his father Sasha, who was actually a professional basketball player in the 90s and early 2000s. The family knew Luka was going to be special at a young age because he possessed a passion for basketball at only 7 months old when he would play basketball in his mini hoop in their house. His parents also had a good idea that their son was going to be tall because his father, Sasha, is 6'8". They were correct, because by the time Luka Doncic was about to turn 13, he was almost 6'2". Amateur career. Luka Doncic began playing basketball competitively when he was relatively young, and once he turned 13 years old, he signed a 5-year contract to play with the Spanish powerhouse Real Madrid. He started out playing with the 16-year-old and under team and was an instant impact on the court. He would be dominant on offense and defense, making him one of the best amateur players in Spain before his rise to pro basketball. Professional career overseas. Some players don't start their professional basketball careers until 22 years old due to them spending 4 years at college. Well, Luka's story is different because he made his professional debut at only 16 years old. In his first season playing professional for Real Madrid, he was a player to look out for in the future. Even though he only played 5 games that season, averaging less than 2 points per game, he was playing against pro players who have been playing high-caliber basketball for years now, with most of them being in their 20s and 30s. He finally became a full-time member for Real Madrid during the 2015-2016 season. Some people think that Luka Doncic played in his first NBA game after he got drafted. Well, that's wrong, because Luka and Real Madrid played the Boston Celtics in a preseason matchup that year. He didn't score that game, but he got 4 rebounds and had an assist and a block. Not bad for a 16-year-old. Luka Doncic finally began to show his potential the following season in 2017. At age 17, he averaged 7.8 points, 4.2 assists, and 4.8 rebounds a game, while getting awards such as the EuroLeague Rising Star of the Year and the ACB Best Young Player of the Year, making Luka the next big star in Spain. In his final season with Real Madrid, Doncic was projected to be one of the best guards in the league, which he was. But he was better than just good. Luka had a jaw-dropping season. He was the best player in the EuroLeague and actually won the EuroLeague finals with Real Madrid. He averaged 16 points, 4.3 assists, and 4.9 rebounds per game. To go along with these stats, he also got a well-deserved MVP trophy before he set sail to the NBA.
With the 3rd pick in the 2018 NBA Draft, the Atlanta Hawks select Luka Doncic.
Luka Doncic was drafted 3rd overall pick in the 2018 NBA draft by the Atlanta Hawks. However, the Dallas Mavericks were hoping that he would drop at the draft so they could select him. Since this did not happen, the Hawks traded Doncic to the Mavericks for the draft rights of another star in the making, Trae Young, and a future first-round pick. The NBA expected a lot from Luka once he entered the NBA, and he did not disappoint. At 19 years old, Luka was doing everything on the court, ranging from scoring from outside the arc to going inside and grabbing rebounds. Doncic was awarded the NBA Rookie of the Month in November of 2018, making him a player to watch out for in the future. As his unbelievable rookie season was coming to a close, he averaged 21.2 points, 6 assists, and 7.8 rebounds a game. So it wasn't a surprise that he won the NBA Rookie of the Year. Luka winning this award made him the 2nd European player to ever get this. The other player to achieve this was international star Pau Gasol, whose career was pretty good to say the least. Doncic made a bigger impact in the 2019-2020 season. He was Dallas's young star that everyone was excited to see. He also got his first All-Star selection this year and was a starter for the team. Before the season was cut short due to the coronavirus, Luka averaged an astounding 28.7 points, 8.7 assists, and 9.3 rebounds a game at only 20 years old. We've seen younger players in the NBA struggle since they didn't have the experience, but that wasn't a problem for Luka Doncic whatsoever. So what really makes him this good?
Rolls to Matthews, Luka has it back. Late clock, Siakam. Luka got around it, in the lane, lobbed it up, deflection, Jordan slams it home! Will they give him the 10th assist?
Doncic steps back behind the three-point line, knocks it down with 2.8 remaining.
Luka Doncic is a lot different than other young NBA players because of his professional experience. Most players start their pro careers between 20 and 22 years old due to them playing in college. But Luka started out very young and started playing professionally at the age of 16, playing in the top league in Spain, La Liga ACB. Even though it took him 2 years in Spain to become a better pro, he started this pro development at a very young age, helping him become a phenomenal NBA player in only his rookie season. So now we know why he is so good compared to other young NBA players. But what about being better than other veterans in the league and even better than most all-star caliber players? What makes Luka so good? Well, Luka's 6'7" frame helps him a lot when it comes to scoring and defending. When a guard is covering him, it's just as simple as shooting over them due to them being shorter than him. Some teams tried putting forwards known for defense on Doncic just to stop him, but most of these players are a lot slower than Luka is, making it easy to blow by guys and finish in contact. Another one of Luka's strong suits is his elite playmaking ability. He's one of the few point forwards in the league. LeBron James and Ben Simmons are good examples of point forwards in the NBA right now. Due to their height and size, it makes it a lot easier for them to see the court, thus making it possible to have vision that most smaller point guards don't have. Being a point forward is very helpful for a team because they are very versatile, but one problem with other point forwards is they usually aren't the best shooters. LeBron James has now become a better three-point shooter than he once was, but Ben Simmons isn't all that good at it. On the other side of the spectrum, Luka Doncic is a lethal shooter from outside the arc. This makes it so hard for players to cover him because if a defender covers him tightly, he will just blow by him and either score in the paint or dish it off for an assist. And if they give him too much room, chances are he is going to drain a jump shot. While Luka is mainly a guard, he will also go outside and grab some rebounds, which is very valuable to an NBA team to have. During the 2019-2020 season, he averaged over 9 rebounds a game, which is remarkable for the position he plays. With all of these factors put into play, there is no shock on why Luka Doncic is so good. But what is the secret behind it all? Well, to be completely honest, there really is no secret. Luka Doncic is a 1 in a million player with elite athleticism, above average height, outstanding vision, and a scoring ability that cannot be compared with. Luka is probably one of the most versatile players the NBA has ever seen. At only 21 years old, Luka is one of the NBA's biggest stars. So how good will he be by the time he retires? Well, we will have to just wait and watch history unfold for itself.
Okay, wide open shooter.
You're right, he's a good wide open shooter. Luka's good at making crazy shots like this right here. But
any players we should put the spotlight on next? Let us know in the comments section below. Also, now that you're here, leave us a like and subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this video. And remember, Turn notifications on to receive more amazing sports content. We hope you enjoyed our video. We'll see you next time at Bala Central.